everyone, today I did a brown cut crease. If you like this look, please keep on watching and like and subscribe and comment down below. So I already did my face off camera, and the first product I'll be using is the Airspun in Natural so I can prevent any fallout from the eyeshadow. I'll be using the CrownPro palette, and I'll be using this light brown shade for transition. I'm using a Wet n Wild crease brush. Now I'm gonna be applying this dark brown shade. And I'll be applying it under the transition color. Now I'm gonna be applying this darker shade on the outer crease. Sometimes when you're here, I can feel no doubt, 'cause I'll be applying the darkest brown color, and I'm gonna be smoking it out. To cut my crease, I'll be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in light ivory. The brush I am using to cut my crease is from Wet n Wild, and it's a small eyeshadow brush. Now I'm going to be applying this shade on my crease. Now I will be applying this shade on my outer crease. I'll be reapplying this shade on the outer corner. Now I'm going to be using this shade to apply under my lash line. The brush I am using is from Aesthetica, and I am removing all the excess powder that I have on my face. The mascara I'll be using is called Wonder Beauty, and it's Unleashed Volume and Curl Mascara. These lashes don't really have a name, but I'll be applying them on. I'll be using the Jonte Blue eyeliner pencil in the shade Charcoal, and I'll be applying it on top of my lash line. For blush, I'll be using the Note Luminous Silk Compact Blusher in the shade 05 Desert Rose. I'm using a crown brush for the blush. For the highlight on the brow, I'll be using this shade. I'm going to be using the Tarteist Pro Glow in the shade Exposed. And I'll be using my fingers to blend it out. I'll be using the Girl Acted Matte Lip Paint in the shade Page. I'm going to be applying the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the shade Poet. You can see throughout the video that my hair is super messy, so don't mind my hair. I'm gonna be using a little bit of the highlight from Tarteist Pro Glow in the shade Exposed on my lips. So this is the end of my tutorial. Hope everyone enjoyed, and please like and subscribe and maybe comment down below what your thoughts were about this tutorial, and thanks for watching.